Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. India's G20 Presidency Golden Opportunity to Promote Tourism, FHRAI. Country's largest business jet terminal commissioned at Cochin International Airport. Indian aviation market has significant opportunities but taxation always an issue, IATA Chief Willie Walsh. Planning is crucial to improve tourism across Andhra Pradesh, Minister R.K. Rosa. Christmas, New Year holidays in UAE, airlines fleece travelers with sky-high fares. Snow blankets Britain disrupting travel, icy -15 temperature predicted, updates. Air India close to finalize deal of 50 Boeing 737 MAX planes for Air India Express. Jaishankar raises delay in visas with Western countries. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.